Avery, Betty, and Carly are traveling together. During lunchtime, they all get hungry. Avery has 6 loaves of bread, and Betty has only 2 loaves of bread, and Carly has no bread whatsoever. The 8 loaves that Avery and Betty have are identical. The 3 girls decide to share the 8 loaves equally among themselves. Betty and Carly decide to pay Avery for the bread they receive from her. If Betty needs to pay Avery $1 for the bread she receives from Avery at the same rate, how much money should Carly pay Avery? Alright, so I'm going to make a table. I'm going to make it... This should work. I'm going to get rid of the borders. I'm going to write, their name's Avery. Avery. Betty. And Carly. There we go. Now I'm going to make Avery 6 loaves of bread like she had. There's 6 rectangles. That'll be the loaves of bread. I'll make them this really light red color. It's like pinkish red. I'll call it red though. There. Now I'm going to make Betty 2 loaves. They are going to be blue. Alright, so we have the loaves of bread. But here's the thing, 8 cannot be easily divided by 3. We're going to get a fraction or a decimal number. And for that, we're going to split each loaf of bread into slices. Now let's see, there's 3 people and 8 loaves of bread. 3 times 8 is 24. So we should need 24 slices. And in order to do that, I have to split each loaf of bread into 3 slices. There. Now I'm going to try to do this the faster way. Okay, yeah. And Betty's too. There we go, and Carly has no bread. There we go. Now there should be 24 slices in total. Okay, so I'll write there. Slices of bread. There we go. That'll help us later. Well, it'll help us remember how many slices there are in total. Alright, now 24 divided by 3 is 8, so that means each girl should get 8 slices of bread. Alright. I'm also going to make the slices a different color than the actual loaves of bread. Wait, hold up. Maybe a red color. There we go. Skip that one, that's an actual loaf. And these ones too. Alright, so I'll write an A in each one of Avery's 8 slices. Copy this. And that's 8. Alright, now Betty needs more slices. She doesn't have enough for everyone to get 8 slices. She has 6 right now, so we need to give her 2 more slices from Avery's. I'm going to also change the color to her blue color. I'm also going to write a B for Betty. Alright, I accidentally made it bold. There. I also need to do that for these ones too. it again. Yep, that was the wrong button. There we go. There we go. Now the rest, that is 8 slices, we did divide it properly. Those go to Carly because she has no bread. All of this is Carly's. Because we have to give everyone an equal amount. Okay? I'll write a C for Carly. There we go. Now that we divided this all up, now I'm going to focus on this part of the question. It says, if Betty needs to pay Avery $1 for the bread she receives from Avery, at the same rate, how much money should Carly pay Avery? All right, I'm going to highlight this whole sentence and make it a different color. It's a very important sentence. Why? Yep, this red is good, but it's a bit too bright for me. I also got that period too. I'll fix that. Oh, maybe a darker red. Like this. Yeah, that's much better. Okay. There we go. Okay, so Betty needs to pay Avery $1 for the bread she receives from Avery. All right, Betty is receiving 2 slices of bread. And that means those 2 slices of bread, that is worth $1. Now, 2 50 cents make $1. There are also 2 slices. So each slice of bread must be worth 50 cents. Hold on, let me write that. That's pretty important. I'll just use 0. There. All right. So if this is $1, I'm going to group them by $1 for Carly to see how much she needs to pay Avery. Right? It's $1. That's also $1. So far we're at $2, $3, and $4. So that's all the bread Carly received from Avery. 2 slices are worth $1. There are 8 slices. So, if we group them, then that's $4 in total. So Carly needs to pay Avery $4. Why don't I clear all of this and write that down? Carly should pay Avery $4. There we go. So we did the question.